Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an easy trick to use in the multiplication table of 13. So let's start. First, we are going to write from top to bottom numbers 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, across from each number, we are going to write multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Now add a plus sign from 4 to 9. Now let's put equal signs. Now for the sum of the numbers, just put this number and this number together. Do this for the first 3. Like this. 1 and 3, that makes 13. 2 and 6, that's 26. And 3 and 9 is 39. Now for the 4 to 9 numbers, you just add the digit to the first digit of the second number. Like this. So 4 with 1 is 5. And then you just copy the next number here. So that would make this 52. Let's do this for the rest. Again, 5 plus 1, that's 6. And then we just get the 5 here and put it in beside. That makes 65. Now, 6 plus 1, that makes 7. And we put the 8 here. Now, 7 plus 2, that's 9. And then we put the 1 right here. 8 plus 2, that's 10. And then you get the 4 here and put it over. 9 plus 2, that is 11. And then we bring the 7 over here. And here you go, the multiplication table of 13. Now let's check it. Equals 13. 2 times 13 equals 26. 3 times 13 equals 39. 4 times 13 equals 52. 5 times 13 equals 65. 6 times 13 equals 78. 7 times 13 equals 91. 8 times 13 equals 104. Lastly, 9 times 13 equals 117. It's all correct. Now to compare, 1 times 13 is 13, 2 times 13 is 26, 3 times 13 is 39, 4 times 13 is 52, 5 times 13 is 65, 6 times 13 is 78, 7 times 13 is 91. 8 times 13 is 104. And of course, 9 times 13 is 117. It's all correct. I hope you got it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.